In a lush jungle, there lived a kind hearted giraffe named Carlos. One sunny morning, as Carlos stretched his long neck to nibble leaves from the top of a tall tree, he noticed a bird's nest nestled among the branches. Inside the nest were three baby birds chirping loudly. Carlos thought their mother must have gone to find food. The next day, Carlos checked on the baby birds. But there was no sign of their mother. By the third day, the mother bird still hadn't returned. Carlos felt worried and decided to take care of the baby birds himself. Using his long neck, Carlos gently fed the baby birds every day, bringing them berries and insects. The baby birds grew bigger and stronger under Carlos' care. They chirped happily and flapped their wings, but they didn't know how to fly yet. One fine day, it was time for the birds to learn to fly. Carlos felt confused about how to help them. He had an idea. He let the birds sit on his head and started moving his neck up and down. The two older birds flapped their wings and soon learned to fly. However, the youngest bird, Kim, was still afraid. Carlos decided to give Kim a gentle push, encouraging him to spread his wings. With Carlos' gentle nudges and encouraging words, Kim finally took off and soared through the sky. Once all the birds had learned to fly, they left their nest. Carlos felt a bit sad and lonely without his feathered friends. But during the migration season, the birds returned with a surprise. They brought a lot of delicious fruits for Carlos and chirped stories of their adventures. Carlos learned that his little friends were blue-throated birds, known for their beautiful songs and striking blue feathers on their throats. These birds traveled great distances during migration, flying from one part of the world to another to find warmer places during the winter and cooler during the summer. Carlos and the birds spent wonderful times together. They danced around, enjoying the rhythm of the jungle, and had lots of fun. The birds promised to visit him every migration season. From that day on, Carlos knew he would always have friends in the sky, and every year the jungle echoed with their joyous reunion. A reminder of the special bond between a caring giraffe and the birds he helped fly. Moral of the story: true friendship knows no bounds. Helping others in need, no matter how different they are, brings joy and lasting bonds.